Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make a cat. So let's start. The first step is to draw the eyes. Let's do the first one, going up, some circle, then down at the same level, and completed the small line at the bottom. Now let's make them thicker. Let's do another circle. For the nose, make a triangle. And two small lips for the mouth. Let's make the eyebrows. And now go from one side, make the cheek, jaw, and keep it at the same level for the other side. Two tips on each side, and then we'll move to the head. So go up, small line at the top for the head, and then let's make the ears. Make them big and smooth. The other one could be in a different angle, but just a bit. And complete the gap. Let's move on to the body. We make an S shape and then the paws. Now let's do the tail. You can add some extra lines for the tail, so you can use different colors. Chest, and complete the fingers. Now we can add a ball cord, so you can make the appearance that he is playing with it. take the half the ball and make several lines going in a direction and then the opposite side. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!